you go. There you go. Now I'm going to move you guys over to my other screen. There you go. Awesome. And share my screen. One moment, guys. I'm getting there. Okay. There you go. You can see me, right? Perfect. Welcome, guys. Welcome tonight to our English webinar. We're all part of the digital crew, and we really love to have you here tonight with us. If you are new here and you don't know me yet, hello, my name is Alana. I am a single mother from Cape Town. Um, Welcome to the Legacy Builder program. You probably found whoever invited you here tonight, you found them maybe on the internet, and well done to you for taking the step tonight to just come and visit us and see what the Legacy Builder program is all about. Maybe a lot of you has already heard from my dog is playing with his toy, Kasha. Maybe you've heard a lot about digital marketing and you're not very sure what it is about. Well, tonight we're going to share with you exactly what the Legacy Builder program is about and why you should also join us. Okay. So my name is Alana. I am from South Africa. In November of 2023, I took the leap of faith and I started with the Legacy Builder program. I was 51 years old then. I was a single mom that was struggling every single month for over 25 years. I used to work in the 9 to 5 in the corporate world. I was tired. I was always broke. And at one point in my life, I thought, is this really how life should be? Just working every day, a 9 to 5, getting up, shouting at my kids, dropping them off, and missing time out with my family. So I tried a lot of things. Nothing worked for me because I'm not tech savvy. I didn't know anything about the internet. I'm a Gen Xer. I didn't grow up with the internet. And then I found a lady on TikTok and she introduced me to digital marketing. I didn't know what it was. Was I scared to start? Absolutely. I was petrified because I didn't even know what digital marketing meant. I had to go and Google it. But fast forward in end of October 2023, I just decided that's it. I cannot do this anymore. Everybody's making money online. It looked like normal people like me. And I took the leap of faith and I have not looked back. I'm loving every single thing about this journey that I've been on. And tonight we're going to walk you through what is this about. You don't need experience. You don't need a following. You don't need to know anything about the internet. If you're coachable and you want to change your life, and I'm sure that's what you want to do, that's why you've come and graced us with your presence tonight. So welcome again, guys. Okay, so what is the Legacy Builder program? The legacy is literally what it's saying. It's to build a legacy for your family. And I think that's all of us wants to do that, right? We, especially, well, for me as well. I mean, I'm 54 years old. I don't want my children have to look after me. Okay. We want to build a legacy for our families. Now, who is the legacy builder for? It's for busy families, for families that are always busy and they're looking for an extra income or they cannot, live on the income that they're already earning. It's for people that are ready for retirement. There's a lot of people that have saved for retirement, but they came to a point where they realized, hold up, they haven't saved enough. Okay. And it's also for busy professionals. There's people out there that are busy, they want an extra income stream. So it's literally for anyone who is ready to grow their existing business if they want to and create extra income streams. We like to say to get multiple income streams, right? Because every month we have a lot of bills. Why not build multiple income streams for ourselves? Okay, so I just want to, those guys that are from Canada and those people that are from Germany, I just want to give some background about South Africa. The general financial stresses across South African household is a large majority of South Africans run out of money before the end of the month. And I think it's not just South Africa, right? But one study found that approximately 76% of people regularly run out of funds before payday, with more than half running out by the middle of the month. Well, let me tell you what, 2 days after I got my salary, my money was gone. Okay, because I just couldn't keep up with the expense. And financial stress is widespread enough that over half of consumers worry about meeting monthly household expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. I remember having to go and check my electricity meter and hoping, pray that we'll get it through the night, okay? And according to a survey, about 46% of consumers go without basic necessities like electricity or food. And when they run out of money before the month ends. And I think a lot of us know that is the reality today, okay? And about 55% of South Africans live below the upper bound poverty line, meaning their income doesn't cover both basic food and essential non-food items. And the national poverty line figures from Stats SA 2025 shows that a person needs at least 1,415 rand, which I would say is probably about $60, if I'm correct, maybe $70 per month. Lower bound and 2,846 month upper bound just to cover their basic needs. Now, 2,846 figures about probably $170. So if a family earns less than these amounts per person, their salary won't stretch across all basic necessities like food, housing, transport, and utilities. Okay, now I don't know about you, but I kind of know this picture, and there were days where I didn't even know how I was going to put food on the table. And we try our best, but unfortunately, the living expenses just keeps on rising. And the unemployment rate in South Africa at the moment is 32.9%. Now, a family needs finances. Why? Because they need basic needs and security. Okay. A lot of a lot of children go to school without breakfast. It's scary out there. I remember my daughter as well. She would tell me about her one friend that didn't even have that she didn't take lunch, right? There's a limited access to opportunities. There's a lot of talented children out there that can't join a sports team. They are talented, but the parents can't afford the fees. There's no fees for equipment because it's just too expensive. So there's a lot of emotional stress. And the children overhears parents arguing about unpaid bills. So there's so much stress in the family unit. And then there's the lack of parental presence. I know that one very well. The parents work double shifts, they work the whole day, they miss school events, they miss the sports events, and the children are either at aftercare or they're sitting at home. I remember waiting for my parents, never saw my parents. And then, of course, it really influences the self-esteem of children because they stop trying academically because they believe success is for other families and not theirs. Okay, so most people um, do the 8 to 9 hours a day for as little as 15,000 to 20,000 salary per month. We're looking about $900 to $1,000 a month here in South Africa. So people are overworked and they are underpaid. And what happens? The living cost keeps rising, but we're not getting rises, right? And families are struggling. And I mean, I don't think people even get bonuses anymore. Those that do are very happy. But what if I ask you tonight, what if you can earn in dollars? How would that change your life? Now, I just took 17 Rand. We're just going to work on that tonight. I know today the dollar to the Rand is about 16 Rand 40. Okay, but we're going to work on 17 Rand. I remember when I started, it was between 18 and 19 Rand to the dollar. So that means for one single dollar, you will make 17 Rand, right? And what if you could follow a program that teaches you step by step how to earn $100, $300, $600, $900, or $1,400 from one single transaction. No experience needed. It'll be your own business and you are the CEO of your own business. Have you ever dreamed maybe of that? Have you ever dreamed of having your own business, homeschooling your children? I know that was one of my dreams. And what if it only takes you 2 hours a day? And it's broken up in 10 minutes here, 15-minute sessions throughout the day. So nobody's going to watch over your shoulder. It's your business. You run it when you can. And the rest of your day is to build your dream life with your family. Okay. And what if it's a plan that you can follow that works? Because, guys, we just crossed over 60,000 other people that has already tested the Legacy Builder program. We are over 8,800 people in South Africa alone. We have got people all across the world. Okay. So we are growing at such a fast rate because people are realizing that the whole world has gone digital. Why not you, right? But what happened is you get the plan and you follow it step by step every day because it works. Now, that's one thing that I needed. I needed a step by step because I got all over the place trying to sort out in YouTube how am I going to make an extra income. Okay, but here you will get step by step instructions every day telling you exactly what to do. And what if you can work from anywhere? You only need your cell phone, Wi-Fi, or a laptop. That's all you need. Imagine taking your phone and knowing you're taking your business with you. You work where you want. You are in charge of your finances. You work 2 hours a day, which is flexible, while you build your family. Now, $100 today, let's say today it's 17 Rand. With one transaction, you'll make 1,702 Rand with one transaction. $300 will give you 5,106 Rand in one day. $600, 10,212 Rand in one day. Now, just say, if you from another country, you could just convert it into your currency. $900 will give you 15,318 Rand in one day. And $1,400 is 23,000 Rand, 828 in one day. Because over 8,800 people in South Africa have already set up our own businesses. Why? Because you're going to get more freedom because you are your own boss. You will have more time with your family. We get more money because we get a dollar income, right? Our quality life really gets better and there's less debt with 2 hours a day. And now with the digital crew, there's another community that I have that I've started as well. We help you, right? So you won't be left alone. On top of all the training that you're going to get, there's extra training that we do every Tuesday. We had the most amazing training this week where Laken showed us how to use ChatGPT. Amazing training. And then we've moved tonight, yesterday to tonight because Tandeka could only help be with us tonight. But usually it's on a Wednesday evening, or a Thursday evening, where we do a webinar like this, where you bring your customers, okay? Where we help you. Because we are a digital family building together, and you can build with us. So you'll not be left alone, okay? And with the digital crew, we've just implemented that you can actually also start to earn a passive income with the digital crew community. So if you want to know more about that, you can ask the person who invited you tonight for details. So I just want to show you, if you've ever thought, oh, Alana, this sounds too good to be true. Let me just show you what's happening in our community, okay? There's Jaco Fick that says, my first day of marketing, and I got $200 sales already. I'm sure he's from South Africa. So in his first day, he made 2 sales. Nereen says here, I got paid while asleep. I opened my phone this morning and saw $500 waiting for me before I even got out of bed. Just pause for a second and breathe that in. So grateful for this journey. So grateful that I didn't quit on myself. So grateful I kept going when it felt slow. This process works. Now, can you imagine waking up to money in your bank account? Anneliese from South Africa, another $300 sale in South Africa. She says, this past Friday afternoon reminded me why I started this journey. I was at home on sick leave, resting, trying to recover, and quietly my phone pinged with $300 in sales. No rushing, no clocking in, no asking a boss for permission. Just the system I've been building quietly in the background, working. And the first thing that came to my heart was this. Now I can pay for my son's rugby tour. Isn't that it must be the most amazing feeling. Latavia says she woke up to $1,800. It felt like a jackpot. I'm still shaking. She says, I woke up this morning to not one, but two $900 sales. My very first two sales in this business. Just a week ago, I was sitting there posting free ads on websites, honestly not knowing if it was even going to work. I had my doubts, but I decided to stop asking 10,000 questions and just take action. I tried it anyway with the help of my mentor, and to wake up to this, it feels like I hit the absolute jackpot. Imagine that feeling. The last one is Felicia. She says, my first sale in less than 4 weeks. Hallelujah. I just got my first sale of $900. This is amazing. If a 60-year-old schoolgirl with no experience in tech has done this, then you can do it too. How awesome is that? Guys, I literally likened, did I record this? Did I? Oh, thank goodness for that. Okay, perfect. Well, guys, I am so excited now. Hold on. Because I want to introduce you to such an amazing, beautiful lady. Her name is Thandeka. She calls herself T, I think. Yes, and she's a mom and wife. And Thandeka, welcome tonight to our English webinar. We are so happy to have you here with us. Now, Thandeka, you can unmute yourself. We're just going to quickly, before we go on and before you share your story with us. Hello, Thandeka. Thank you for
Hi,
joining us
everyone.
tonight. Hello, beautiful. So,
Thank you for having me.
I asked Thandeka, what is the word that can describe that the legacy builder has given you? So she said the word peace. And so what I did is I went to our beautiful ChatGPT and asked him, so what does peace mean when you start an online business? And this is what ChatGPT gave me. It said freedom, the ability to choose how you spend your time, work from anywhere, and create a lifestyle that suits you and your family. She said it says stability, having a consistent income stream that helps reduce financial stress and bring more balance to everyday life. Flexibility is being able to work around your own schedule, whether it's family time, studies, or personal priorities. Security is building something of your own that can provide long-term support and greater confidence about the future. And then independence, earning for yourself, making your own decisions and not relying completely on a traditional 9 to 5. Oh my word, I just love how they describe this. Now, before I just want to quickly stop sharing my screen. Oh, have we got Laken? Are we okay with T? We see her? Will it be on the recording?
Yes, I'm just going to stop your sharing quickly. There we
Okay.
go.
Hello.
You can
Perfect.
go, T.
Hello, Thandeka. You know what? The first thing when I talk about you, Thandeka, I've been reading your posts in the community, and I just picture you sitting up cozy next to the heater because two of your posts you said, I've been making $100 while I'm cozying up because it's so cold.
So cool.
Listen,
Yeah.
you're welcome to tea. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to mute myself. And please share with us your story with the Legacy Builder. We would love to hear your story. I'm going to mute myself.
No problem. Thank you so much for having me. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Just a thumbs up. Awesome stuff.
Thank you so much, Alana, for inviting me. I'm so privileged. I'm so honored. Everyone who's here, welcome. My name is Tandega, right? I'm a South African. I'm a Zulu girl all the way from Durban, but I now reside in Johannesburg. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I got married in 2016. And my husband, well off, well, he's an engineer, and I got into marriage without even a degree. And I thought, you know what, life happened. I never thought actually in my life that there'll be a time where I'd be sitting at home and being a stay-at-home mom. Quite frankly, back in high school, I was doing quite well. I was an exchange student. I used to travel the world. And I actually thought I had a bright future ahead of me. And well, I know now I do, but I had a different perspective because I thought I'd be in the corporate space, traveling around the globe, going to boardrooms and stuff like that. And I lost my dad while I was a teenager through suicide, and my life never remained the same again. And everything started to spiral down from then onwards. I wasn't doing well at school, I wasn't coping. Went to varsity when I was done in high school, and I just started failing dismally. And I never knew what the issue was. I never had the term to call it depression or anything. So therefore, I couldn't complete with my tertiary education. Fast forward, got married in 2016, still with that matric. And by God's grace, I got a God-fearing husband who loves me, takes care of me. But I never wanted to be that independent wife. Like it just never, it was never part of the plan. And yes, fair enough, I didn't finish, school and everything, but I was like, this is not me. I'm not settling for this. And got my first child. And afterwards, I was like, Habi, I think I need to start a business because at that time I had been applying for jobs. Well, we know the employment rate in South Africa. And mind you, with the matric, I mean, what was I expecting, right? I didn't get employment. So I figured, you know what? Let me just start a business, right? And I thought, well, I can drive. So maybe let me start a scholar transport business. So, yes, we go and get a car, brand new car, because I don't want a car breaking down with other people's kids. Brand new car. It was a Honda BRV 7-seater. Only one bank gave us an offer because there was so much happening in my husband's account. Remember, I was totally dependent on him. His mother's car was on his account. It was just there were a lot of transactions. And so only one bank gave us an offer. The interest rate was insane. The balloon payments, it was just a mess, but it was a take it or drop it. And I was like, Habi, I'm going to make this work. Please just get a car. And we did. Oh, lo and behold, I was fetching yet another liability. Why am I saying yet another? Because I already felt like a liability. I already felt like I'm dependent on my husband for literally everything. Now, this business is not running on profit mode. So in other words, it's running at a loss. I was hardly making ends meet. Now I need to ask money for petrol because I don't have enough kids in the scholar transport. I have to wake up early in the morning, take school kids to school. I can't drive home because I'm working with fuel. I have to stay wherever I am. Anyway, while I had the car, I thought, well, I have a car, I have a PDP. Maybe let me go to the e-hailing industry because I'm trying, right? So I go into the e-hailing industry. I started Taxify. At the time, it was not Bolt, it was called Taxify. And I just felt like, Alana, my life is not safe here. The type of passengers I'm getting in my vehicle. Hey, I was like, nah, I need to find something else. I left Taxify, started doing Tupperware, started doing perfume business. I am trying, guys. I am trying. And, at some point, my husband would sit me down and frustrated, obviously. He's trying, but I mean, everything I'm trying, I need capital. If I'm selling Tupperware, I need capital. And because when people order Tupperware, they don't pay cash. They just choose from the catalog and they're going to pay month end. Now it means I need to have hard cash to buy the stock. So I would ask, Habi, credit card. Then he would come back and say, but you haven't returned the money. And I said, but I'm trying. And it used to be an argument to say, okay, but you said you would bring the money back. I'm like, yeah, I know, but I had to use that money for fuel. What was I supposed to do? Then it's a big mess. And then I'm shouting at the kids. It's just a mess. Tried multi-level marketing. I've tried even pyramid schemes. I was just desperate to make ends meet. And anytime my husband sat me down to discuss finances, I felt like he was just starting to pick a fight. And I understood, but I was like, but what do you want me to do? Like, what am I not doing? Tell me, what should I do? I'm doing everything. 2024, around May, I'm browsing on TikTok, like most of you guys did. just minding my own business because, well, let me just distress. Let me look at people dancing and doing funny things. And I came across this lady who's talking about digital marketing. Now, let me just reverse a bit, Alana. I'm sorry for taking this and making this a bit long. While in that scholar transport situation, thank you so much, I figured, you know what? Let me go back to school because that's what we were taught. Go back to school, finish school. I'm like, you know what? I'm happy in my marriage. Let me just go back to, let me just, let me enroll, okay? And when I did, I studied, I was doing some research. What can I study? And some advice here and then some research and digital marketing came to the picture. Then I went and Googled which institutions in South Africa offer digital marketing. UCT offered digital marketing, but UCT was a certificate at that time. Menkosa offered digital marketing. They were doing a bachelor's. Now, in my 30s, as a married woman and mom, I can't be going for certificates. At least I need to have a degree. So I was like, okay, that wipes out UCT. Let me go with Menkosa. So when I saw this lady in 2024, she's talking digital marketing. I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. I'm studying digital marketing. I'm doing my bachelor's. You're saying you're making money doing digital marketing. I am paying over 40,000 Rand, getting deeper into debt through credit card with digital marketing. So which one are you doing that I'm not doing? That's the only reason, Alana, I listened to that lady, because at that time, I had tried everything. If anyone would say, T, come and do this, I would try. So I was tired of trying. I had fatigue of information of do this. I've been on YouTube watching videos for over hours. I was just fed up. I was like, you know what? I'm done, guys. Good for you. You're making millions. Absolutely. Well done. Like I was just there. But the only reason is because she mentioned digital marketing. That morning, I went on my knees. I said, God, no, this is not it. Your word tells me that you have come to give me life and life more abundantly. I'm a tither. I'm a giver. Alana, I'm a giver. God, that's one thing God has given me is the gift of giving. I may not be all these other things, but giving, I have a heart to give. You know, I serve in the church. I love people. I am working. How come? What's happening? And when this thing came like when I came across this lady on social media, it was the same day I had that one-on-one with God that morning. And I was like, no, God, no. Look, I want to make money, but not social media. No, I'm a very private person. Yes, they say beggars can't be choosers. But, you know, the Bible says, come, let us reason together, you know, enter the throne room of grace. And so I thought, no, man, you know, I can talk to my father. I don't want social media. And I started on the 2nd of June. I purchased the launch pad. Now, after purchasing Alana, I'm still trying to debate. I'm like, no, I don't want to do this. I almost lost my son 10 days after I purchased my program. Let me tell you what happened. Now, because I was busy, Scholar Transport had come back home around 4. After coming home, sorry guys, I'm a storyteller. I'm going to cut it short because I can go on. So I came back around 4. That's normally what the time I used to come home. Take my 6-year-old, take him to soccer practice. He practices from 5 o'clock up until around 6:30 to 7. So I decide, instead of sitting there watching him practice, the house doesn't have a housekeeper. I have to do everything. I have to wash dishes. I have to make beds. When I come home from work, I have to make the beds. I have to wash dishes from the morning. I have to cook. I was like, you know what? I'm going to drop this guy. I'm going to come home, cook, clean. I'm going to fetch him. And then we're going to come home and have a warm meal and sleep. So I didn't tell the coach that I'm leaving because I knew I would be there at 6:30. They finish at 7:15. But for some reason, I'm not sure if it was load shedding, they dismissed them around 6. No one informed me because I never informed anyone because I knew I would be there on time. When I got there, my son was nowhere to be found. It was on the 12th of June, 2024. It was dark. Lights are off at the streets. At that time, the case of Jocelyn Smith, if you remember that young little girl, was missing. I was panicking. I was like, my father, please have mercy. I'm sorry. I just panicked. I panicked. Mom guilt. I'm like, where's my son? What? And the reason why he went missing, a 6-year-old boy, is because mommy wasn't around. Why? Because when you're broke, you have to be everywhere. You're the chef, you're the driver, you're everything, you're everywhere, you're scattered. It is that day, Alana, when I was reunited with my son, that I made up my mind I'm starting this business. Fast forward, guys. 4 months in, I left the Scholar Transport business. I used to cry home, come back, drive, crying, asking God, is there a way out? 4 months in, I left the Scholar Transport industry. I am a pleasant mom and a present mom. There is peace in my home. I had the privilege of flying my kids, taking them on an airplane for the very first time when I could hardly make 3,000 Rand in my Scholar Transport business, plus Tupperware, plus Bolt, plus everything combined. I work only 2 hours a day. And the only thing that changed now is because I am learning from the best. I literally sacrificed. I'd never had the money to start, Alana. That 3,000 Rand when I started with the launch pad was from credit card. And I called my husband to listen to a webinar like this one. I said, my husband, please just come. It's the last. He's like, please, I hope it's not one of these things of yours. I'm like, no, this one, just please come and listen, you know? And he's like, you're going to start with the lowest one. We are not starting with the highest one. Work your way up because honestly, I don't want us going deeper into credit. And I understood. I'm so grateful to God. I am here today. I've made multiple six figures online. I mean, just about 2 weeks ago, I made two $1,400 sales. That's about what, almost 40 something thousand from home. I take my kids to school. I fetch them from school. I get to bake during the day. I get to keep my blankets. I take the heater. I'm warmed up. I have no boss. I call the shots. My marriage, guys, I'm able to celebrate my husband and appreciate him because he stood by me through it all. Never judged me, never made me feel small. And I'm so blessed and so grateful that I get to be that woman who gets to bring warmth into her home, into her family. I get to refer my kids, find out how was your day, my boy? Who said what to you? Huh? I get to engage. Sometimes we miss out on the nitty-gritties of our children's lives because we're so busy building other people's legacies. All this to say, anyone who invited you here, guys, knows that your life can change. I want you to go and say thank you to that person. Whether you decide to start or not, the ball is in your court. But that person inviting you to this place wants your life to change. But the thing is this, we can take you, right? They say you can take the horse to the river, but you can't force the horse to drink the water. The decision ultimately is with you. I hear people say, I don't have money. Okay, and so? I never had money. Are you choosing that to be a reality? Because some of us don't have money, but I was carrying an iPhone, Alana. With the poverty, I was,
Yeah.
I was having an iPhone. I was paying it on credit. I had a smartwatch because I wanted to fit. Let me tell you, if something matters to you, you make a plan. So thank you for being here. Thank you, Alana, for inviting me. And this is beginner friendly. It does not discriminate your background, your education, nothing. If you are willing to learn, your life can change. Thank you so much.
Oh, wow. Gee, thank you so much. And I felt it so much when you said you took your last money because that's exactly what I also did. Like, I love it when you said, we've got our phones, we've got all the fancy stuff, but we won't invest in ourselves to make this change. I tell you what, because we are scared. It's scary, yes, but you know what? If you don't, is it more scary to stay where you are, or is it more scary to stay to make a change? Because or to be where you are in 6 months, at the same place in 6 months' time from now. That's what I also said. I got to a stage where I was like, I don't know, I don't want to be where I am. And I know that whatever I'm doing now, it's not working. And a week from now, it's also not going to work. T, your story is absolutely amazing. I should have stayed on your last before, my goodness. I didn't even know what you went through. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us. You are such an inspiration for us. You almost had me to tears here. Thank you for being so honest with us and sharing everything. And we really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much, T. Let me just share my
Thank you so
screen.
much.
Oh
Thank
man,
you.
how amazing is this woman's story? Absolutely crazy. Yeah. Okay, guys, you can see my screen. They can? Perfect. Whoa, how powerful is that story? Okay, guys, so let's just go on. Why is the Legacy Builder program different? Okay, because like T said, I mean, she's tried so many things. I know I've tried so many things and nothing worked for me because, like she said, you know, you have to take out money to buy products if it's multi-level marketing. And there's just no cash flow. There's just, if you start your own business. And why is the Legacy Builder program different? Because you, my friend, keep 100% profit because you have master resale rights on this e-learning program, okay, on this digital marketing program. You don't have to chase clients, which I absolutely love. You don't have to ask family and friends because, oh, let me tell you what, I even blocked my family and friends when I started with this because I thought they would say, oh, here goes Alana again. So there's none of that, right? You don't need any technical skills. Doesn't matter how old you are. So if you ever thought that you may be a bit too old to do this, please don't think that. We've got people from in their teenagers up to somebody in their 90s doing this, okay? And you make 100% profit. You make anywhere between $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 in one transaction in a day. Like she said, she made two $1,400. You are going to get a step-by-step blueprint to help you start. You're going to get it to help you grow, and you're going to get to, to learn how to automate a profitable online business in just 2 hours a day. Now, automations is what all these online businesses have, right? You're going to learn how to automate your business, and you get your own done for you digital store, which means there's 5.6 billion people out there that can find you, right? So if you don't have a store or work from home where you only have a certain um, amount of people that can visit your store, you have a digital store that's going to run 24/7 in the background. And you're going to connect your PayPal and your bank account to your digital store. Because when a customer pays you, 100% profit goes directly into your account. Now, can you see that this is not a pyramid scheme? Because here, with the Legacy Builder program, you have your own business with master resale rights and you make 100% profit. With pyramid schemes, I've also been involved in them. The company only pays you 10 to 30% commission. And guess what? You got to go find customers. You got to do recruiting. Now, that's one thing that I hated doing. Hated to go and recruit people. Okay. You have your products in your digital store and you have a choice of 5 that you can choose from. Okay. Excuse me. Now, whichever one you have, everything below your level is free and included. Okay. The key of this business is obviously master resale rights. You sell the product of your choice in your digital shop over and over and over again. It is not a product that you need to buy in. It's a digital product. It's been created once, and literally with this one, just more and more gets added to it every week, and you get 100% profit for the price of one. Now I needed to change that. We have just announced, I think apparently it's the 29th millionaire, that we have 29 people in South Africa who's already earned over 1 million with the Legacy Builder program. Okay. Now, Alana, was me and Lulama is one of the ladies. What happened is we bought the $900 program once and we sold it 65 times. And that gave us a million rand profit with no monthly fees. Okay. Because you're going to have an automated system, your business, which means your business works while you are sleeping. Just like Shein, just like Temu. Okay. They also have an automated system. Just for some interest, do you know that Shein made $59 billion last year? And Temu made 41 billion dollars last week because they also have an automated system. And that's what you're going to get. You have your own online business. You work 2 hours a day. with an automated system that works 24/7 in the background for you. It's a done-for-you business and no experience needed. Okay? So the clients that you are that's going to buy from you, you're going to learn attraction marketing. So any clients could want to buy from you because they want to learn skills. Maybe they want to learn how to promote their own business, or they want to create a new business, and then they also want to maybe resell it. So that's what the kind of clients that you'll get. Okay. Now let me ask you, wouldn't you rather trade your 8 to 10 hour workday for a 2-hour workday? Well, I tell you what, when I heard that, I was like, hell yes. I've been working for over 25 years, getting up religiously every day, working like T said as well. I could feel it when she said, she was a chef, she's a driver, she's everything. You're literally working like a robot, and you don't even get to spend that quality time with your family. But if you have a 2-hour workday, that means you've got the rest of the 22 hours to yourself. Okay. Now, let's have a look at if people earn a monthly salary of 15,500 Rand per month. Now, with a $900 program, if you have 4 $900 sales a month, that's 15,500 Rand a day, because that's in one transaction that you're going to make. That's 62,000 Rand per month. If you have a $1,400, which is about 23,000 Rand, would you rather have 23,000 Rand per month, or would you rather work a few hours a day and have 23,000 Rand transactions a month, which will give you a whole total of 95,200? And that's where T also said, I mean, she's had multiple 6-figure months, because this is the kind of money that you'll be making. Okay. You don't just keep 100% profit. You also have an interactive training program that helps you develop the skills to build a successful business so that you can build a legacy for your family. Now, all you need to do is you follow 5 steps every day. What you do is you watch 10 minutes of training. We also always have a 90-day run that the founder does for us. So there's no guesswork. You wake up in the morning, and you do this, by the way, when you want. You can do it in your lunch hour. There's always a video every day from a multimillionaire that's going to tell you exactly what you need to do with your business. So you log into your training, watch the 10 minutes of training. You will learn how to create marketing content. You can reply to emails and WhatsApps if you give your WhatsApp number out. Okay. Then you will go and post marketing ads and also reply to comments there. And the 5th one, I don't know why I've lost that one out, is you can either do a live stream. Now, you don't have to do a live stream. We have got, I think it's our 23rd millionaire. She's never done a live stream before. Okay. Or you get already done for your adverts that you are going to copy, paste, and post onto high traffic websites that gets millions of visitors every day. And that's where people are going to find you. That's why there's no finding customers. Okay. You're going to learn attraction marketing. Clients come to you. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, that's what happens, right? Then the online world, my friend, is your window to unlimited customers, because there's 5.6 billion people on social media every day. You don't contact people, you don't bother family, friends and family, and you never have to reach out first. And that is obviously perfect for introverts. Okay. And guess what? You are going to use apps that you already have on your phone. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. There's many other social media platforms that you are going to learn to use to attract your perfect customer. So faceless marketing is perfect. There's a lot of people. I've got a customer that bought the other day. She said she signed a contract. She's not allowed, because that's what the system does, that she's not allowed to go find another job. So she's going to do faceless marketing. Now, what is included in your Done For You business? You get the e-learning program. You decide which one. And obviously, as I said, Everything underneath the highest you get for free. So it's a blueprint business plan that you are going to get that is done for you. You get your own website. That's why you don't have to be tech savvy. You will have your automated system running in the background for you because you're going to learn what email marketing is. And you have your products in your digital store. And for me, the most important thing was lifelong community support, interactive training from millionaires. So there's live training, live classes. You can go and ask questions. If you can't make the live classes, everything, all the recordings will be put in the classroom for you. And everything underneath, obviously, like I said previously, the program that you choose, everything underneath is included for free. Okay? And you make 100% profit. Now, let's have a look at these programs, right? You're probably asking me, Alana, now, what is the cost? How much is this going to be? Now, please don't see this as buying something. You are investing in your future, okay? So that's what I love about this program. There is choice of 5. So it suits everybody's budgets and dreams. Like T said, she started off with the Launchpad. Back then, we had this, I started with the second program. That was $150. But now the first one is called the Launchpad. With that, you're going to have 1 income streams. You get 72 e-learning lessons in that one, and you learn how to launch an online business. Now, this is just to give you an example, right? If you have $400 customers a month, only 4, you will make an extra 7,000 Rand per month. The next one is the Passive Daily Play Blueprint. We call that the $300, right? If you have that one, you get this one for free, right? Now you have 2 income streams. You get 180 e-learning lessons, and you get a daily pay blueprint plan. If you have $300, that's $1,200 profit into your bank account. That's an extra 20,000 Rand a month. That's a whole salary. Then the next one is the $600. That one is a digital mastery. With that one, you'll obviously get these 2, right? 129 e-learning lessons. You get tools for online success. You'll learn how to build your own products and build your own brand and how to create extra income streams because we all want multiple income streams, right? If you have 4 $600 programs, that's $2,400 profit, which is an extra 40,000 Rand a month in South Africa. And then the Legacy Builder program is the 900, very, very popular one. There's 4 income streams with that one because you're going to get all the others. 228 e-learning lessons, tools for online success. You will learn how to build your own products and your own brand. Also to create extra income streams. 4 $900 programs a month is an extra 60,000 Rand right into your bank account. And then our next one, we just launched this. I think we launched it in November last year. It is called the Bundle Pack. Now, with this one, you don't get 5 income streams. You get 10 income streams because you get the 5 in English, and because there was a very high demand for a Spanish version, our founder has made that one in Spanish as well. So you'll get the 5 programs in Spanish as well. So remember, this is international, so you can get people from right across the world. Now, there's 323 e-learning lessons in the bundle pack, but with this one, you'll get the tools for online success, build your own products and brands, create extra income streams, and now, like we all know, AI is not taking over the world, but AI is out there, and we have got the most advanced AI training where you'll get AI for marketing material, AI for personal branding, which means you're going to do it faster, right? AI to create faceless videos, which is wonderful, and AI to create your own digital products. Plus, you can even go and make your own AI twin. So you can sit in your pajamas and do some content, okay? Now, if you have 4 $1,400 programs a month, That's $5,600 profit. That's almost 100,000 Rand with only 4 customers. That's insane. Right. Now, there is a choice for you to upgrade. Like T said, she started at the bottom, but she upgraded soon, right? So you get how many income streams and you decide which one you want to take, but there is that opportunity to upgrade. If you upgrade within 30 days, you only have to pay in the difference. Okay? No monthly fees, which we all love, right? So you're going to get 1 to 10 income streams. You use the program for free on a monthly basis or literally on a daily basis. It's only a one-time setup fee. You buy your program, so you'll decide which one you want to get. You will register with $39 on the $100, $300, $600, and $900. And then for the bundle pack, it is $69. We call it our website fee. And then on the $1,400, there would be an extra cost of $17 a month for your extra funnel. Don't worry, I didn't even know what a funnel was either. Everything will be taught to you in this program. And all you have to do is you're going to buy your own domain and professional email. Because remember, you're going to get your own website. Your bank account is connected to your own website. So it's a one-time setup fee. There's no monthly cost except for the 1,400. So just to give you an example, $900 plus registration plus your domain. First sale that you make 100% profit. That means you've made your money back. And to get to R1 million, you only have to sell it 65 times on the $900. So you use the program for free. Now, this is not a quick rich making scheme because I'm sure most of you would agree that we've all tried that. There's no such thing as making money fast, right? But if you put in the work, you will see the results. You're going to have your own business to build a legacy for your family. Now, this is Romelda. This is our, I think is it our 29th of 30th? Am I wrong there? I can't remember. Layton, do you know? It's the 30th.
According to my knowledge, I think it's 29.
The 29th. Okay, then it's my mistake. Apologies. I want to read this to you because this is amazing. He announced this, I think it was it this week already or last week? He said, made my first R1 million in South Africa in legacy in 15 months. Started the 8th of January 2025, not knowing what the future will be like. Thank you to my Jesus who never left my hand, although I went through trauma. Guys, listen to this. 8 months away from my business in total, and I still earned my first R1 million, $60,500 in 15 months. I'm emotional, proud, disbelief, stunned what this business can do for you and how it has changed my life. Thank you, Jesus, for never, ever letting me down, standing with me through good and bad, and for carrying me and giving me courage to carry on no matter what. My friends, I'm another mom with a testimonial that this program, business, changes lives, and it changed mine. This made me debt-free. I'm so proud. All glory to my Jesus. I love the story of her. Imagine 8 months away, but your business is still running in the background for you. And that's why we're doing this, okay? Because there's less debt. There's more time with your family, right? Imagine going on those holidays, like T said. For the first time, I loved hearing that she could take her children to fly, right? Not sit at home anymore and watch everybody go on holiday, but you can literally go on holiday away. Peace and harmony back in your home instead of stress. I think that's all what we long for. And this is what the Legacy Builder is going to give you, my friend. Okay. What do I need to build a legacy for me and my family? You need a business without expenses and something that is risk-free. And that's what the Legacy Builder program is going to give you. So what you're going to decide is you start with one of the 5 programs. You choose which one is going to suit you. And let me tell you, now is the time to make sure that 2026 is your best year. Can you believe it? in a month's time, we are already in the middle of the year. So, my friend, if you have any questions, you are welcome to ask right now. And please go back to the person that is invited you to tonight, okay? If you have any questions to ask them, you are welcome to please contact them so that they can get you started. I just want to see if we can, if there is there any questions? Let's have a
Yes,
look.
there's quite a few questions, Auntie Alana.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, perfect. All right, who's the first question? Hello,
So
Tucker.
PH, I don't know if you can see the chats, Auntie Alana. So
PH.
PH is the
Oh, I
last one
see
that asked.
PH here for South Africa. Let me just see. Good evening. Hold up, guys. Do you want to just read the message for me?
Okay.
I'm 58 behind here.
Okay, so he or she, I don't know who you are, sorry. On average, how many sales can one make in a month if you work every day?
Okay, so great question, PH. Now, look, um, we always, use this kind of example. It's like I cannot guarantee when you're going to make your sale. I'm going to guarantee how many sales you're going to get, right? Because you're going to learn skills how to attract your perfect customer. Now, we all know with anything that you need to that you start, you need to be consistent to see a result, right? And let's say you go to the gym and you go take out a membership at the gym. If you go to the gym and you ask them, well, listen, when am I going to get fit? They are literally going to look at you and say, well, ma'am, Alana, you're going to have to put in some work before you see any results, right? So I cannot guarantee when you're going to make your first sale or when you're going to do your sales. But what I can tell you is this is a blueprint that works. The most important thing about this business is consistency, right? So that is, and plugging into training because this is a proven blueprint. It really works. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Any other?
And then there's another question from Teresa. Where do the products come from? What do I sell?
Okay. So Teresa, this is a if you've ever heard, this is a digital product. This is an e-learning. We don't really like to call it a course. We like to call it a program because it's an interactive program, right? So it would be like something like you are going to get like when you go and study online, right? You're going to get an e-learning program that is going to teach you skills about digital marketing. So it's not a physical product. You are going to invest in it. And like I said earlier, you get master resale rights on it. So you can resell the e-learning course or program that you invested in. But not just that, Therese, you are also going to learn how to create more digital products, like an ebook, for instance. This is just an example. We have over 200 examples of what kind of digital products you can design for yourself. The sky is literally the limit. So you get resale rights on this, just like anything, like this Honor phone. Um, I didn't buy this Honor phone from Honor. I bought it from Mr. Price because they have resale rights on this phone, right? So everything, any product that you go into a Pick and Pay today, anything that's on the, well, they have their own products now, but most of the products they have got resale rights on, and that's exactly what you're going to get on this program as well. Okay. Hope that makes sense.
Okay, and then Martina says, I'm concerned that I will be subject to financial fluctuations since sometimes sales close and sometimes they don't.
Martina says it. Okay. Well, look, like I said, Martina, remember just your very first sale is going to be, you're going to be in profit mode. Okay. So again, it's a risk-free business. You're going to invest in yourself, but remember, digital marketing is um, according to Forbes, it's going to be a $1.5 trillion business by 2030. Now it is a $2 billion daily industry. So it works. You just really have to put in the 2 hours a day and be consistent. Okay, so like I said, there's no guarantee that you're going to make a sale, but yes, you are going to invest in yourself. Okay.
And then one last question. Petrine says or asks, can one decide on any niche?
Hello, Patrine. Yes, absolutely, my dear. There's so many niches that you can choose from, and we have a bonus as well in the programs where there's 200 product ideas, and you decide which niche is going to suit you because everybody's got knowledge on something, right? It's like let me take for instance T. She knows how to go about to go and drive children around with her school with her PDP license. There's people out there that wants to know that. So T can take that knowledge, she could put it in the ebook, and she could put it in a digital store. And people will buy that from her because there's people that want knowledge. So absolutely, you decide your niche and you decide which one you're gonna use for a digital product. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, guys. Nothing else. So, guys, okay, perfect. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining tonight. We've had what an awesome live we have, not live, a webinar we've had tonight. Again, please go back to the person that has invited you if you have any questions. And we really are all hoping to see you in the community and change your life. You guys must have a wonderful evening. Bye, guys. Have a lovely evening.